over the last several years, people have started to get rid of their home phones. But when they've gotten rid of their home phones, they've thought of Vonage or some of the other internet voice over IP providers. And in the alarm industry, many companies are going to require you to sign a waiver because we know in the industry that a voice over IP type communication format is not reliable. An alarm system, which is a brain, a computer modem, if you will, brain, that is going to talk to a central station receiver, which is a computer on that end of it. So they're going up over the internet and they're talking to each other, okay? Well, this is speaking English and it sounds like French over here. They don't get a clear communication. Sometimes we can come in and put filters on, but we know now that even with the filters on there, it is not 100% reliable. So the noise that happens in the internet over voice over IP or digital phone services are just something that it can work great for 2 months or 4 months or 4 years, you can have no problem. But for a month or two, maybe that's just when you need it, it may not work. So you'll find most companies are going to have you sign a waiver nowadays. With that, a lot of folks are still saying, I want to get rid of even that type of phone service. I know it's in my bundle, but I want to unbundle it. I want to get rid of that. Well, folks that are considering that, we can reduce your monthly cost by going to a cellular line that is, you have no fees or taxes or anything else that go on top of that. It's passed through your alarm company provider because there's about 3 or 4 manufacturers that provide the cellular brain network, if you will, that connects to your alarm panel. It's a very easy thing to get set up. We can sell you the security device that's needed for your home, or we can lease it to you as low as $4.95 a month to be able to help you get rid of that landline that you're not using anymore. You don't want the solicitors to bother you anymore, and now you've enhanced your security protection. Nobody can cut the phone lines to the home. Okay, so now they can't go cut the phone lines and break in. So you've increased your protection and decreased your monthly costs.
To receive instant access to all the other videos of top questions people ask most about security systems and receive your free security systems buyer's guide, visit www.security-systems1.com.